If you think that this is a trailer for the new game Fallout Ukraine, you're wrong. This is real panorama view in the eastern battlefield. So dad came back from the war in Ukraine for his daughter's birthday. Try not to cry. Belarusian state TV doesn't get much international attention, but it's just as bonkers as you'd expect it to be. Here's propagandist Yevgeny Pustovoy claiming that Ukrainians are genuinely eating Russians.
Украинцы уже реально едят россиян. Страшно похожие на человеческие тела блюда с кричащими названиями. Это что, нацизм или украизм?
So air defense in Russia itself is very busy. But don't worry, everything is under control. Here air defense is active over Rostov. This is the first documented destruction of a quite rare Russian Kamaz 43,269 Vistral armored personnel carrier by the indirect fire of the 54th Mechanized Brigade in the east. And for the end. 3, 2, 1. Jump around. Watch French Special Forces conducting parachute jump on the French carrier Charles de Gaulle. On order, the French CSG still ready to conduct a Special Forces airborne insertion.
Ok, qui part bien parti.
Yes! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.